Xiamen Pro Technology Company Limited have our own associated factory, which was founded in 2018, covering over 1,000 square meters. We firstly bought around 17 CNC machines used for our old customers' production. After so many years, thanks to our customers' long-term supports, we expanded to over 20 CNC machines now. All of our machines are brandly new. We have one set 5-axis CNC machine, 13 sets 4-axis CNC machines, and 4 sets CNC turning and milling combined machines. Our main service is CNC machining, decasting, carbon fiber parts, plastic injection parts, and related various surface treatments. We use quadratic detection equipment to strictly control our dimension tolerance. We are quite experienced with the whole processes and outsources, such as how to fix the material on workbench, how to machine it, how to design jakes for big quantity to save machining time, and how to meet precision tolerance. At ePro CNC, we use 4-axis CNC machines mostly. It will machine 4 faces at one time to get much more precise dimension. This will avoid most dimension and assembly problems. ePro takes, honestly, responsibility as our main business faith. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to long-term cooperate with us based on common success.